Do you want to enjoy high DeFi yields while paying very low gas fees? You can do that with Braavos. In this video, I will tell you how to earn a 44% yield on Starknet thanks to a 5-step process. Step 1, you need a dedicated Starknet wallet since you can't use your Ethereum wallet on Starknet. In this guide, we'll be using Braavos. To download Braavos, either on desktop or mobile, go to the link in the pinned comment or description of this video. We'll be using Braavos mobile version during this video. I'll do the tutorial with an iPhone, but it works the same with Android phones. You need to install the app, then click on Create a new wallet, type in a strong password, and you can enable biometric sign-in for ease of use. It's going to be Face ID for me. Then write your seed phrase on a piece of paper that you'll keep extra safe and offline. Your seed phrase is basically the key to your crypto vault. Once you've done that, toggle on the hardware signer and select Starknet mainnet. Step 2, you need to get ETH to be able to pay for transaction fees. If you want to fund your account with ETH, one way is with Ramp. So once your wallet is opened, click on Deposit, then select Ramp, then click on Transfer Now. I usually deposit around 20 euros worth of ETH to have enough to pay for dozens of transactions on Starknet. You can deposit the amount you want to also account for the liquidity you want to provide. If you already have crypto on another platform, you can also use a bridge. On LayerSwap, you'll be able to bridge from around 15 different blockchains and 20 different centralized exchanges like Kraken, Binance, Coinbase, OKX, and others. With our Bitter, you'll be able to bridge from around 15 different blockchains too. And if you want to use the official Starknet Bridge to bridge Ethereum to Starknet, you can use Starkgate. Step 3, once you have ETH in your Braavos wallet, you need to deploy your account on-chain to complete the setup process. You can do it by clicking the Setup Now button. Then let's play around and get some high DeFi yields. Step 4, I will first swap some ETH for USDC to have both ETH and USDC to be able to become a liquidity provider in the ETH USDC liquidity pool and earn 44% yield. Note that this 44% yield is the current 7-day moving average at the time of recording and is subject to change. I go to the dApps section of the app, type in MySwap, then select MySwap once it appears, and then approve the dApp connection. Make sure ETH is selected at the top and select USDC at the bottom. I then type in the amount of ETH I want to swap. I click on swap and then sign using hardware signer, and it's done. I now have swapped ETH for USDC. Before the last step, know that you can find all the pools on MySwap by clicking on the charts tab. You'll also be able to see the current APR for each pool. This data was the one during the recording of this video and is based on the previous 7-day moving average APR, which can change in the future. Step 5 is the final step. In this last step, you'll become a liquidity provider in the ETH USDC liquidity pool. To do so, click on the Pools tab on MySwap and click on Add Position. Select ETH and USDC, enter the amount you want, click on Add Liquidity, then sign using hardware signer, and it's done. You're now a liquidity provider and earning high yield on Starknet. If you want to unlock your position and get your funds back, simply go to the Pool tab on MySwap and click on Withdraw. Then select the amount you want to. Select Max if you want to completely withdraw your position. Click on Remove and then sign using hardware signer. Well, that's it for today. I hope you now understand better how Starknet, which is an Ethereum layer 2 with very low gas fees, can make even small investments profitable. Keep exploring, keep learning, and until next time, take care.